Hey y'all, I'm going to show y'all how I made these buttons. I was so excited when I got my machine on Saturday. What I did first was I created my images and cut them out with my Cricut machine. So this is me trying to remove the paper that cut around the pictures that I'm going to use. So as you can see, you can do different things. I did like your typical button images, like the I love my dog, because y'all know I got my dog Butter and I love her and she loves me. I did a Easter one. Y'all have to excuse me because I had to use both of my hands trying to remove this off that sticky mat. But I have an Easter one. I did one out of my son's graduation picture from last year, my nephew's graduation picture, and a Be Kind. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my machine ready. Get my machine ready. Alright, so the machine comes with the compartments that you put the little button pieces in. So the first one on the right hand side is where you're going to put your image and the plastic covering that goes over it. So I put in I love my dog in a little plastic cover, making sure it's flattened down. So then you turn it and you press down the handle and you're going to hear a click. And then when you turn it, you see that part of the button is gone. So it's up in that top part that you press down first. Then you turn the opposite way and you press down with the actual backing. And y'all, this is a trial and error because it took me like 5 pins to get it right. So if you want to know further detail, I will be glad to show you and tell you all of the measurements that you need in order to make these beautiful pins. I'm so excited to share this with y'all. See you next time.